Hello, what's up art lovers? I am Nirma and in this tutorial we will be drawing this house. So grab your pen and book, let's get started. Let me divide this house into shapes and lines so that we will be able to understand in a better manner. So this is a square, the upper part will be a triangle, then the side portion of the house will be a rectangle, okay, and then lines to the sides of the roof of the house. For the window it will be a square and for the front door it will be a rectangle. This is how you can draw a house by using simple lines and shapes. Now firstly we will be drawing a triangle. Now to draw a triangle we need a forward slanting line as well as the backward slanting line on the right side and then a sleeping line. What I am going to do is that I am going to leave a little bit of edges on the both side of the lines, okay, this way. So this will be the top portion of the house and then I'll be using a standing line for both the sides to draw a square. Okay, I'm drawing it a bit darker so that you can see. Main thing of sketching is that you have to draw it very lightly because when you color it, it should not be visible. Okay, now I'm going to draw the rectangle for the front portion of the house. Now this rectangle is in a slanting position. Just observe it properly. You have to practice it several times to draw a slanting rectangle. Okay. Later I'll show you how to draw it again. And then this is the reason why I told you to extend the other part of the triangle, the right side. It will be easy to draw the roof of the house. So this is how you draw the roof of the house. And then you will be drawing one more rectangle for the front door. And then a window which will be in a square shape. Now certain lines we have to erase. One is this, the top portion of the rectangle, okay, and the other one will be the top portion of the square and the bottom portion of the triangle. Seems like my eraser is not that great, so it's creating some kind of trouble. Just ignore it. And then darken the half portion of the window as well as the half portion of the front door so that it looks like, the door has been opened. So I'm just, to show you properly, I'm just outlining the house with my fine liner. So this is how you can draw a house by using simple lines and shapes. Check out my other video which is based on these lines and shape, that is basic warm-up exercise of art for beginners. You can practice these lines and shapes by looking at that tutorial and will be able to do a beautiful artwork. Okay, and practice and practice, which I keep on telling you guys, that practice is the only key to make yourself better in artwork. Without practice nothing comes up. So today if I am drawing these just without the help of a pencil or scale, it's all because of practice. So practice is must. You can use your pencil and scale if you're a beginner, no offense, but try to avoid it the most. Again, that too comes with the practice. So this roof of the house, I am drawing some lines. This is optional, you can just leave it off. As I had some messy thing over there with my eraser, so I thought I will draw the lines. So here is the house by using simple lines and shapes. You can take your own time to draw these things. Just that's what, with the time and with practice, you will be able to draw it quickly. So let me show you the shapes once again. See the triangle for the upper portion over there. Okay. Then the square below the triangle shape. Yes. And then the rectangle shape which is in a slanting position. Now rectangle is this in the front view. Okay. See, I also have messed it up. So sorry for that. So here, this is the side view of the rectangle. And then a small square for the window. And then the front door. Again a rectangle in a different angle. Right. And some shapes to the roof. One is these lines, another one the slanting line. So with these kind of shapes, you'll be able to draw a beautiful house. Now this rectangle I'll show you once again. You keep on practicing daily. It will come up very easily. So practice again, which I would like to say. So slanting position of the rectangle. See there, the ground is in this level, so the rectangle is in the slanting position. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like and comment, and then also follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. Art Hugs and Peace. Namaste.